Hi everyone, this is Amruta Munje, Head of Department of Fashion Design. As we all know, fashion is a powerful force. Fashion is ever evolving, and so are our teaching techniques. We embrace innovation, technology, and sustainability to shape future fashion leaders. At NIF Global, we foster a collaborative community where students and faculties work together, inspire each other, and of course, celebrate creativity. With a global outlook, we expose students to diverse cultures, trends, and perspectives, broadening their horizons and enriching their design sensibilities. Our goal is to empower students for success. We provide industry insights, networking opportunities, and career guidance to launch their fashion careers. Join us at NIF Global and become a part of a legacy of excellence in design education. Together, let's redefine the future of fashion.